Hey everybody, it is Cody with Lazy Goblins, and I'm thinking of starting a new tutorial series, so hopefully it goes good. If not, that's okay. That's okay too. But with this tutorial series, I was thinking of, doing a series on creating Rollerball, remaking this Rollerball Unity tutorial. Yeah, but not just remaking it with Bolt, the visual scripting asset on the Unity Asset Store. How cool would that be? That's what I'm gonna be trying to do in this tutorial series, is creating Rollerball, but with Bolt. So we'll go over stuff like setting up the game, moving the player. It'll pretty much be like a one-for-one of this, but instead of using C#, we'll use Bolt. So for anybody that is looking for a good intro to Bolt, this will probably be it. Hopefully, if I do a good job, we'll see. But yeah, the next video, it will be all about setting up Bolt in Unity. Alright guys, I will catch you in the next video. Till then, have a good one.